Hello students, today I will show you how to convert fractions into its simplest form. So student, we have two tricks through which we can convert fractions into its simplest form. Let's see first by prime factorization method. Now we have to convert 5 into its prime factorization method. So student, how we can convert 5 to 5 prime factorization method? So students, first we have to find prime factors of 5. So here 5 we can take we 5 1 ja 5, so we can write this 5 into 1. Okay, now how to convert 10 into its prime factors? 10 2 into 5. Okay, now therefore we write 10 as 2 into 5. Now see, let's which are similar here. 5 are similar, therefore we can cut it. So now we have to multiply it. What remains? 1 1, and in denominator what remains? 2. Therefore students, the by prime factorization method we can convert fraction into its simplest form. So the 5 by 10 fraction is converted into simplest form as 1 by 2. So student, let's take one another example. Let's take 10 by 30. So this type of question can be solved by, if you see 0 0, then you can cut it easily like this, and what remains? 1 by 3. Therefore 10 by 30, its simplest form is 1 by 3. Similarly, 24 by 30, we can find 24 prime factors. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Now you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 30 can be written as 2 15, 3 5 are 15. Therefore 2 into 3 into 5. Now we can cut the similar one. Now what remains above? 2 into 2 4, and below 5. Therefore its simplest form is 4 by 5. So student, now let's see trick number 2. So see student, in trick number 2 we have to check the divisibility. Now here this 5 is divisible by 5, and below see it is divisible by also 5. So we have to just see the divisibility. Okay, start by 2 3 4 5, then go on like this. Okay, here it is divisible by 5 both. We have to check the similarity of both the numerator and denominator. Here 5, here we can cut it as 5 5 1s are 5, and this 20 is also divisible by 5. Therefore you can write as 20. 5 4 the 20, so remains 4. Therefore its simplest form is 1 by 4. Remember student, we have to see both the numerator and denominator. That's the common multiple. Okay, here 5 is the common multiple, so we can cut it by 5. 1 5 1 are 5, and 5 4 are 20, so its simplest form is 1 by 4. Similarly, we can write this 10 by 20. We can cut easily 0 0. Its simplest form is 1 by 2. Okay students, similarly 12 by 20 can be written as how? 12, as 12 is divisible by 2 and 20 is also divisible by 2. So we have to first cut it by 2. Okay, 6 2 are 12. Okay, now we can write 10 2 are 20. Similarly, now 6 is also divisible by 2 and 10 is also divisible by 2, so we can write 3 2 are 6, 5 2 are 10. Okay, now further it cannot be divisible. Okay, so we can write as 3 by 5. Its simplest form is 3 by 5. Okay, therefore student, 12 by 20 simplest form is what? 3 by 5. Now see last one example, 100 by 200. Here 20 20 10 10 cut, 10 10 cut. Its simplest form is what? 1 by 2. Now student, let's see what are the equivalent fractions. Okay, let's understand these fractions by two examples. Okay, example 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. Now student, these two fractions are equivalent fractions. Okay, how you see? If we see these fractions, we can reduce its simplest form as 1 by 2. Okay, therefore its simplest, a simple fraction and its simplest form are similar. Okay, therefore we can say that 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Means two fractions is said to be equivalent when the another fractions are is to be converted into its simplest form will be same as the previous one. Okay, let's see, let's understand this by another examples. Okay, so student, 2 by 4, okay, and 5 by 10. If we reduce this is as its simplest form, now you can write as 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, therefore both fractions simplest form are similar, therefore these two fractions are said to be equivalent. Okay student, now see question, are 10 by 20 and 12 by 24 are equivalent? Student, please comment